Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset in this 5 volt Snapp smartwatch. Okay, for first just you need to go to settings and then scroll down, and here you can see guys, here's the reset option is there. Just click on this. Actually in this watch it's some kind of bit different guys. Actually there's a three options is there. The first option is Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth reset. Actually it's a cellular reset. It seems it will forget all Wi-Fi username and password. It will reset all of these things like username, password and all. You can reset this. If you need to reset a Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, means you can use this option. And second thing is reset app preference. It will reset all your app data. Actually it means it will clear all your app data guys if you did this app reset means. And the third option is the erase all data. Actually this is the original factory reset. It will erase all the data guys, like Wi-Fi, mobile, Bluetooth and app A to Z. It will erase all the data. Just now I'm going to do that only. Just click on that, erase all data, and here you can see it will clear all data guys. Actually factory reset and erasing all data, it's nearly same only. Okay, just now I'm going to reset this watch, and here you can see your Google account will also get removed. And okay guys, before doing this reset, just you need to take backup. If you're having any data means, just you need to take backup because it will erase all of these things. So just take backup and erase this, and reset this watch. Just take backup and reset this watch. Okay guys, I'm going to reset. You can see it's showing reset phone. Okay, just I'm going to click that. You can see it's showing erase all your personal information and downloaded apps. Cannot undo this action. Yeah, so just back up the data which you need to want. Okay guys, let's come on. Just now I'm going to erase everything. Okay, it's booting up, it seems. Let's see how much time it's taking. I think it's starting now. Okay, it's erasing guys. Here you can see erasing all data. It's again loading. You can see it's booting up. It's now. Okay, yeah, come on. And okay guys, here you can see I just paused and again I did resume this back, and here you can see it's now, I think the reset is completed. Here you can see guys, it's just back to default wallpaper screen. Just swipe side. Yeah, you can see it is now resetted guys. Actually factory reset is done successfully, and all data is also erased guys. And okay guys, that's all. Seems okay, no issue in this. And if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And this is the procedure for factory reset guys. If you need to do erase all the data means, you can use the option erase all data for factory reset if you need to erase all of the things in this watch means. Okay, and okay guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you're having any queries or doubts, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.